Lezi indaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma egomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli. Mbukeli nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
What I want to put to you today is that your allegations about General Mkhwanazi and Prince Makadi being CIA agents strike me as a misdirection tactic. What's your response to that?
Ohola ubufakazi esigcawini sekhomishana kaMadlanga usola uBrown Mokgotsi ngakuchaza ngokuthi ukusebenzisa amaqhinga ukulahla ngokuyikho okugxilwe kukhona phambi kwekhomishana.
We know that Mr. Mokgotsi is not a police officer, is that right?
That's correct.
So what would be his role in this meeting or at the meeting?
Isikhulu seyisebenzi yehhovisi likaNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uCedric Kabinde wethula ubufakazi phambi kwekomidi lesikhashana lasePhalamende odabeni olumayelana nokuthi uNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa sanikezwe umhlabakhefu uxhumana kanjani nosomabhizinisi uBrown Mokgotsi.
The government of South Africa has recognized and approved 3 airports and 1 fixed-based operator as the main airports.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuthutha uBarbara Creecy uthi inkampani engamele izikhumulo zeindiza zakuleli sezikulungele ukwamukela zonke izihambeli zengqungquthela ye-G20 ngalempela sonto. Mbukeli sikubingelela sikwamukele indabeni zakusihlwa enizethulelwa noxolo mamtshali wakwaMwali ihlabangane limhlophe qwa. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi namhlanje kusihlwa. Ohola ubufakazi esigcawini sekhomishana kaMadlanga ehleze ePitoli uAdvocate Matthew Chaskalson usesole usomabhizinisi waseNorthwest uBrown Mokgotsi ngakuchaza ngokuthi ukuzama ukusebenzisa amaqhinga ukudukisa umkhondo ngalokho okugxilwe kukho phambi kwekhomishana kaMadlanga.
Lwakhe lokuqala lokwethula ubufakazi uBrown Mokgotsi usole umkhuzo wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kanye neNgonyama uMisi uZulukazi welithini ngokusebenzela uphiko lwezobunhloli lwaseMelika iCentral Intelligence Agency.
Your allegations about General Mkhwanazi and Prince Makadi being CIA agents strike me as a misdirection tactic. What's your response to that?
Investigation is investigation. You may have that belief now, but ultimately the outcome of investigation will show whether we are correct or not, will show the result. But it's not intended to misdirect.
Kepha-ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ukuvumile ukuthi lokhu akushilo kungamahlebezi.
Result will always say yes, General Mkhwanazi is a CIA. No, you investigate, you get the outcome, then you rely on what you have. But since we have not got anything, it means what you say will stand.
Umokgotsi uphinde wachazela isigcawu ngezinsolo zokuzama ukumbulala nokuyisigameko okuthiwa senzeka eFosloras eGauteng.
It was presented as if after that incident I will say I don't want to come here. I wanted to come here.
Izinsolo ezibhekiswe kuNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa usamisiwe emsebenzini uSenzo Mchunu ziyindlela yokudukisa umkhondo.
They say Kate Matlala, Minister Mchunu was safeguarding the interest of Kate Matlala and all these things going to fund him. It is Senzo Mchunu, through the review, who cancelled Kate Matlala's contract. Isn't that misdirection, commissioners?
Isikhulu seyisebenzi yehhovisi likaNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uCedric Kabinde wethula ubufakazi phambi kwekomidi lesikhashana lasePhalamende odabeni olumayelana nokuthi uNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa usanikezwe umhlabakhefu uSenzo Mchunu uxhumana kanjani nosomabhizinisi uBrown Mokgotsi.
Inde ebephambi kwale komiti okwesibini emva kokukhululwa kule veki iphelileyo ngenxa yokubetha-bethana kobungqina bakhe. uNgabinde uthi uqale ukuthetha noMokgotsi ngo-August walonyaka uphelileyo.
So 20 August in paragraph 55.5 the minister called a staff meeting, and he instructed us in the meeting to make, through the department, to make arrangement for him to go and visit Stilfontein.
Umchunu wakhanyela kuba uyamazi uMokgotsi ngoMarch walonyaka eParlamente.
At the point where he showed me the face and I told him I don't know this person.
Unkabinde yena uphinde wabuzwa ngokufakwa kukaMokgotsi kwimiba yamapolisa.
So this meeting, did it deal with any official police or policing business?
That's correct. That's correct, Chair.
So what role? We know that Mr. Mogotsi is not a police officer. Is that right?
That's correct.
So what would be his role in this meeting or at the meeting? Why would the meeting be facilitated with him?
The minister wanted for me to arrange a meeting. He was planning to go and visit Stilfontein.
Kwindaba ze-SABC, Dingubulelani Philip eParlamente.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuthutha uBarbara Creecy uthi inkampani engamele izikhumulo zeindiza kuleli Airports Company South Africa isikulungela ukwamukela zonke izihambeli ezotheleka kuleli zizoba ingxenye yengqungquthela ye-G20 ngalempela sonto.
uCreecy ubale izikhumulo zezindiza ezizosetshenziswa ukwamukela izicukuthwane zengqungquthela ye-G20. Uthi ezokuphepha ziqinisiwe kakhulu kanye nokunye ukuze kungabi nokuphazamiseka.
Which demonstrated the readiness of all the ports of entry, and it set a benchmark for a high standard of operational excellence for this important Leaders Summit. The command center and the venue operating centers at OR Tambo International Airport, Fireblade Terminal, Lanseria International Airport and Waterkloof Air Base are now fully operational.
Uphinde waqinisekisa ukuthi izangoma zezulu zakwa South African Weather Service zithi sibukeka sisihle isimo sezulu kulempela sonto.
We can assure you that everything is also ready at Waterkloof Air Base, at Fireblade, and of course at Lanseria. Now, with regard to air traffic navigation, the Airports Company and the Air Traffic Navigation Services have executed a comprehensive readiness process, and they've activated real-time coordination across the 4 airports, supported by our Command and Control Center for seamless traffic flow and rapid tactical adjustments. Temporary airspace restrictions will apply on the 22nd and the 23rd of November to ensure secure operations without disrupting commercial flights.
Abaholi bamazwe ahlukene bazoqala ukutheleka kuleli ngoLwesihlanu.
Izinkampani zaseGoli eziqashisa ngohlobo lwemoto engangenwa nhlamvu zibhekene nesibalo esiphezulu sabantu abafaka izicelo zokuqasha lolu hlobo lwemoto, iningi labo elizokwethamela ingqungquthela ye-G20 ngempela sonto.
Ngezifunwa kakhulu ngezisezingeni eliphezulu ezifaka hlangana ama-Range Rovers, Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon kunye nama-sedan enziwa ngensimbi ezijamelana nenguqulo ezengidi.
Customers are not feeling the pinch as much as those who are coming through for rentals right now. We do have a shortage, and I think the entire industry has a shortage of vehicles. We've seen a really big demand for what we call the luxury SUVs, so your BMW X5s, etc.
Eziqashisa inkolo lezi zithi zifumana imitato eminingi evele ebantwini beninarha zangaphandle abafuna ukuqasha inkolo lezi, kodwa abasanazo inkolo zokuqashwa, kodwa sekusele ezithengiswako kwaphela.
There's specific types of vehicles that they're interested in. Firstly, the thing that they're looking at is color. The second is obviously the type of vehicle. So far from what we've experienced in the industry, Mercedes S-classes are your most popular vehicles.
Nanyani bubulweli lila ngokuhlayelelwa zinkoloyi ihlanganisela iphiko levikeleko enarheni le iNet Joints ithi ihlelo lezevikeleko elihlelwe iG20 linawo wonke amahlelo wevikeleko afaneleko begodu akunalitho eliwakhinyabezako.
We have enough resources that we have put in place. We have armored vehicles we have considered based on the collected intelligence, and we shall deploy those that are required.
Kusela malanga ambalwa nje bona ibanjwe imbizo yeG20 le amapholisa athi South Africa ikulungele ukuqinisekisa ukuthi wonke umuntu uvikelekile. Ngilerato Makula wendaba ze-SABC News eJohannesburg.
Mbukeli sasiqu eyitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela udaba oluthi
It's not easy to refer a senior colleague to an inquiry of this sort, and giving evidence before this inquiry is not something I relish.
Inhloko ye-NPA u-Advocate Shamila Batohi ubethula ubufakazi esigcawini esiphenya ngobuqotho bomqondisi we-NPA eGauteng u-Advocate Andrew Chauke osanikezwe umhlabakhefu esikhundleni. Sikubekelele sikwamukele uma ngabe usanda kungena odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi ohola ubufakazi esigcawini sekhomishana kaMadlanga usola uBrown Mokhotsi ngokuchaza ngokuthi ukusebenzisa amaqhinga ukulahla ngokuyikho okugxilwe kukhona phambi kwekhomishana. Asikhumbuzeke mbukeli ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube na ku-SABC Plus. Ungena nje kuze uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngomnjalo bazo.
Ngena ku-website ethi www.sabcplus.com noma udownload i-SABC Plus app ku-Apple App Store noma ku-Google Play Store. Bese usebenzisa inombolo yakho kamakhalekhukhwini ukuze ubhalise. Ngemuva kwalokho uzokwazi ukubheka iziteshi ezifana no-SABC 1, 2 no-3, SABC Lehaye kanye ne-SABC News Channel. Esinye isiteshi ongasithola njengamanje isiteshi esikhethekile esikusakazela ngengqungquthela ye-G20 ubusuku nemini, i-G20 Pop-Up Channel.
Lawo owabe ungqongqoshe weinkampani ezingamabhizinisi ombuso uDr Malusi Gigaba usekhethe ukushenxa kuyo yonke imisebenzi ye-ANC ngemva kokuthi ethweswe icala lenkohlakalo. uGigaba ubevele ngaphambi kwenkantolo yasePalm Ridge izolo kanye nabanye asolwa nabo ecaleni lenkohlakalo emayelana nokuthengwa kweyitimela eTransnet. Ukushenxa kwakhe esikhundleni kuhambisana ke nomthetho weqembu le-ANC wokuthi labo abathweswe amacala aqhubekayo enkantolo kumele bahoxe ikhundleni kuze kube kuphuma isinqumo. uGigaba uphinde wahoxa njengosihlalo wekomiti lasePhalamende elibhekele ezokuvikela. Inhloko yophiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi uAdvocate Shamila Batohi wethula ubufakazi esigcawini esiphenya ngobuqotho bomqondisi we-NPA eSouth Gauteng uAdvocate Andrew Chauke. uAdvocate Batohi utshelele sisigcawu sikaNkabinde ukuthi ukudlulisela uAdvocate Chauke kulolu uphenyo bekungelula.
Esigcawini sikaNkabinde uAdvocate Shamila Batohi uthuke wakhuluma nomqondisi wophiko olushushisa amacala omphakathi omisiwe uAdvocate Andrew Chauke ngaphambilini ngaphambi kokuthi adlulisele lolu daba ehhovisi likaMengameli. uAdvocate Chauke usolwa ngokugxamukela ekuthathweni kwezinqumo odabeni lukaJohan Boysen noRichard Mdluli.
It's not easy to refer a senior colleague to an inquiry of this sort, and giving evidence before this inquiry is not something I relish. Advocate Chauke is a colleague that I've known for a long time, with whom I've always had a professional and cordial relationship. I've discussed the subject of his actions with him in detail, but just explaining to him that as a national director, there's a duty that I have in certain circumstances. The case is legally defective and dangerously, I repeat, dangerously seeks to punish a prosecutor for exercising lawful prosecutorial decision. Chairperson, members of the panel, this cannot be further from the truth in this matter. This is about prosecutions that the testimony will reveal.
Kanofakazi bakhe kusasa.
Emma Sedlier ungoti wezinkundla zokuxhumana utshele inkantolo ephakeme yaseThekwini ukuthi indodakazi yowayengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma uDuduzile Zuma Sambudla wasebenzisa izinkundla zakhe zokuxhumana ngenhloso yokuphehla udweshu ngoNtulikazi ngo-2021.
Emma Sedlier ungufakazi wesine ubizwe ngumbuso ngenhloso ukuthi ezonikeza ngolwazi lwakhe ngalokhu okwashicilelwa nguDuduzile Zuma Sambudla ezinkundleni zokuxhumana. Ehlonywa ngembuzo uyalelwe ukuthi achaze ngombhalo wawulotshwe nguZuma Sambudla ezinkundleni zokuxhumana owawuthi we see you nokungumbhalo wawusho ukuthi siyanibona. Utshela inkantolo ukuthi lo mbhalo wawuvukuza umphakathi ukuba uqalise ngebhelu. Uqhubeke wathi umsolwa kufanele aphendule mayelana nethombe kanye namavideo akawafaka kuzinkundla zokuxhumana. Bameli bommangalelwa batshela inkantolo ukuthi akufanele lona ukuba bengufakazi njengoba akhokhelwa umbuso ukuba athule ubufakazi. Sedlier uthe yize ngungoti kwezinkundla zokuxhumana imininingwane ayethule enkantolo ayisibona ubufakazi bukaNgoti. Uzoqhubeka kusasa ukuphendula imibuzo enkantolo.
Usakhungathekile umphakathi waseThembisa namalungu emndeni yeYisulu kanye nabafundi besikole emva kwesehlakalo sokudutshulwa kukaThishanhloko kanye nowesifazane obesebenza ehhovisi lesikole samabanga aphansi inxiweni eThembisa ekuruleni.
Amaphoyisa asesungule umkhankaso wokuthungatha abasolwa abadubule babulala izisebenzi ezimbili esikoleni samabanga aphansi inxiweni. Okhulumela umnyango wezemfundo eGauteng uSteve Mabona uthi sebezothembele ophenyweni lomaphoyisa ukuze bathole imbangela yalesigameko.
We are relying on the police to assist us with that. How did they gain access? Because there's a footage from the CCTV camera that we have. So we're going to make sure that they get the access of the footage and they will have to come in at the school and interact with all those that were present and just try to understand or not transpired.
Amalungu emndeni eZisulu athi asashaqekile namanje ngalesigameko.
Kuthiwa ke bantu bathathu ebebephethe izibhamu imipu bangene ke baqonda kuya kunye neclerk yakhe bamdubula. Isizathu asikasazi. Ithemba lethu leloba ke amapolisa azawenza umsebenzi wawo side sibafumana. Nangani ke uye uthemba ungathembi because kudala sizibona neziganeko zisenzeka. Ibe lithemba loba sizathi sibafumana abantu bangafumaneki.
Akhange ndilala ubuthongo. Ndinezo feelings zoba I wonder ebetheni abulawe kabuhlungu kangaka. Inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu ligazi. Cause sikhule sonke. Ndazi yonke into ngaye. So ndinalomva ndedwa uba xa ndithulile ndiyacinga ba ngoba ibingumuntu oright ongaqali into.
Bala kwezivivinyo kulesikole kuzohoxiswa ukwanamhlanje.
Mbukeli umhlahla wesimo sezulu uzolandela emva kwekhefu noThini Ntshiza.
Nginibingelela babukeli emakhaya ngiphinde nginamukele ngesimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa ake sibethe sime kanjalo zoqophela nje mbukeli asakhona ke nje la mathuba emvula alindelekile nje kakhulukazi ePalmas bheka nje khona ke esifundazweni eMpumalanga kuyana kanjalo esifundazweni eLimpopo kuyanjalo ke nakhona ke esifundazweni eKwaZulu Natal. Kanti kusasa isimo sezulu sime kanje zoqophela nje mbukeli asakhona ke nje la mathuba emvula athanje aqiniseke nje kakhulukazi ePalmas bheka nje khona ke esifundazweni eMpumalanga kuyana kanjalo esifundazweni eGauteng kuyanjalo ke nakhona ke esifundazweni eLimpopo. Kanti ke isixwayiso sethu ke siphuma lapha kwa South African Radio Service sakusihlwa simi kanje ziqhubela nje mbukeli khona ke lokuduma ke ubungozi obuthanje ukuthi buqiniseke nje kakhulukazi ePalmas bheka nje khona ke esifundazweni eMpumalanga kuyana kanjalo esifundazweni eGauteng kuyanjalo ke esifundazweni eLimpopo. Kanti ke singesixwayiso sethu ke sakusasa simi kanje sayilindela kanje lokuduma ubungozi obuthanje ukuthi buqiniseke nje khona ke esifundazweni eMpumalanga ke bafuthi khona ke nalo hamoya kuvungoza ngamandla ungadala wona ke nje umlilo kakhulukazi ePalmas bheka nje khona ke iKapa lodumo. Kanti ke amazinga okushisa kusihlwa ami kanje. nje singawulindela nje u17 eKapa lodumo kanti ethanda ukuthi nje lifudumala ke nakhona ke Appington namhlanje ebusuku ngo18 kamna sibheke nje khona ke eGoli koSoweto kandunga zaduma ngasho nje ukuthi lipholile ngo13 liyashisa ke nakhona nje lapha eMusina ngo19 masibheke nje khona eGqeberha nje ku15 kanti ke kusasa eKapa lodumo lifudumele ke nje ngo25 ngasho nje ukuthi ilanga libalele ngobheke nje khona ke lapha ke eAppington ngo37 kana kanjalo ke lapha ke eMero ngasho nje ukuthi lipholile ngo21 mobheke nje khona ke eMnambithi ngasho nje ukuthi libalele nje iZulu ngo28 mobheke nje khona eRichards Bay ngawulindela nje u28 kanti ke thana ukuthi nje lifudumale ke nje eThekwini eClermont kwaMashu eMlazi ngawo nje u24 kana kanjalo ke eGqeberha singawulindela nje u24 isibeka lapho ke mina ke isimo sezulu namhlanje kwesihla mina ke ngintombi ngamadlamini olangelihle ngoba libalele ithi konke kufeziwe.
Mbukelisi sibeka lapha ke bese kuphathele zona asikukhumbuze ke ukuthi sizokusakazela bukhoma indaba ezikhethekile zeG20 eNasrec ngehora lesikhombisa kusihlwa ngolwesihlanu uze ungaphuthelwa ube nobusuku obuhle usale kahle.